back to my channel. I hope you're fine. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your subscriptions, your encouragement so far. Thank you for helping me grow. Subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscription bell right now and do so. You get videos whenever I post them online. I make tutorials on DIY crafts, sewing tutorials, actually based on a subscriber request. So let's get started. So first of all, these are the materials I'll be using. This is my scissors. These are the elastics, but I'm not going to use the two. I'm only going to make use of one. This is 1 inch elastic. This is half an inch elastic. So it depends on your choice and the availability of the elastic. But for this tutorial, I'll make use of this half an inch elastic. So this is half an inch elastic. Is 8 inch length. From here to here is 8 inch. 8 inch. Then I'll make use of a safety pin. Then these are the fabric, the piece of fabric I'll be making use of. So first of all, you can use a satin material, a plain material, or an Ankara material, or an ashoke material. So you can use any material of your choice, as far as it's going to come out very nice. So any material you choose, it's fine, it's okay. So for this now, this is the main material that we are using. This is the main material. So this edge is 18.5 inches. So totally it's the length I'll be using is 37 inches. So yours can be, you can increase yours to 40 to 45 depending on your choice, how big and how chunky you want it to be. But this measurement I'm using is quite okay for me, and I think it's quite okay, and it's quite moderate. So the length is 37. The width is 9 inches. I'll be using the width of from here to here is 9 inches. These other straps, this is going to be for the casing of the main fabric. From here to here is 15 inches. Then from here to here is 2 inches just for the casing. You're not going to fold the material, you just leave it like that. So this other one is 15 inches. This other one is 15 inches from here to here. Then from here to here is 3 inches. So it's going to be 15 by 3 inches. This one is going to be 15 by 2 inches. This main one is 37 by 9 inches. Like I said earlier, you can increase yours to 40 or 45. Then the width, you can increase yours from 9 to 10 or 12 depending on how big you want it to be. So the next thing you're going to do now is to fold. This is the elastic casing. Remember, 3 inches by 15. So you're going to fold this into two. When you fold it into two, you sew half an inch from this edge. You sew half an inch from this edge down. This main fabric now, I've turned it to the wrong side. This is the wrong side. So you fold it into two also. You sew half an inch from this edge to the ending part of it. Half an inch all the way down from this edge. So I'll go over to the sewing machine right now to sew the two sides. Then I'll bring it back so that I'll show you how I turned it up. So I'm done sewing it. See, I sewed it, the black line. I sewed half an inch all the way down. I sewed half an inch to this edge. Then this other, I sewed half an inch all the way down. So this other one, so the elastic casing, I sewed half an inch down. So right now what I'll do, so you have to turn it over. So I'm going to use this this screw to push it to the right side. You see, I've done this one over, so moving over now. I'll use the same method to turn this big side over. So this is it. I'm done turning it over. So the next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to use this elastic casing to pull through to connect it from this edge to this other edge. So just watch very carefully this time. Now I'm going to use my safety pin it on the casing that you want to use and turn over, then you put it in. Place your fabric like this. Let this center part, let this sewn part, this place you join it, let it be at the center. Centralize it, then you put it in. Keep pushing it. Make sure that that line is at the center. Make sure that this joint place is at the middle. So when you pull it, so to avoid this side entering inside the main fabric, just secure it with a pin. Secure it with a pin so that it won't enter inside. Just secure it with a pin like this. Then you continue and finish up the other side. So you bring it out to this other side, see? So at this point now, remember, still place it, this gather side, still place it this way. Then you can now take out your safety pin. Then secure it with just an office pin. Secure it with the pin. You see it. You see it's a headband is forming. So it's just simple, very simple. It doesn't even take much time, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20. Let's just say 20 minutes. See, so see that chunky part. This is that chunky part. So this is it. It's formed already. So the next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to fix in my elastic with this safety pin into the elastic casing. So you just do it the same way you did the main fabric. Place it, divide it, fold it like this. Let this joint line be here. Let it be facing up. Then you put in your elastic. So now at this edge, you will also secure your elastic so that it doesn't jump in. Secure your elastic so that it doesn't jump in, and you push the remaining. Push the remaining. Take your elastic out. Then remember, this joint part is also facing up. Then you'll also secure this side. Why you're securing these two edges is because so that your elastic won't fall inside and you start bringing it out again, and by all that the fabric might have gotten rough and weak. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to secure it finally with my sewing machine. Secure this place 1/2 inch here, and this other side 1/2 inch. Then I will do the same thing also. I'll secure the same thing also on the main fabric. I'll secure 1/2 inch on this side and secure 1/2 inch on this side. Then I will come back. So I'm done securing it. See, I've secured this edge, secure this other edge, So I secured, this is my elastic casing. I secured it 2 times so that it will be very strong. Secure this other side 2 times also. So the next thing now is going to be the joining of the elastic to this other, to the main headband this way. So you place your band this way. This main one, this is the joint part. It will face down. The neat part, the clean part that has no joint on it, it will be facing up. It will be facing this way. Then with your elastic band, with your elastic casing, this one that has the side that has the line, the joining part, it will face up. So let it be like front side facing okay, let's call this the back side. This is called let's call this the back side. So the front side facing the front side. Just see what I did. See this line, this place I joined this together is facing down. This place I joined this one is facing up. So you join it together, place it like this. Place the two together. Then you fold. Fold this way. Fold this other way. When you fold it, you go back to your sewing machine again and stitch it. Stitch it together, run a stitch. You can run like 2 to 3 times here so that it will be very firm. Run it to stitch. Now stitch it, stitch the 2 sides, then remove the elastic and bring it back. So this is it. I'm done joining the lines together, joining and stitching it together. So you can just trim off any excess. So this is this other side. So the simple thing and the next thing you're going to do now is so pull it over, turn it, just pull it over this way, turn it. See this, see the wrong side is covered, so there's no roughness there. There's no place that you see, no line there. So this other side you do the same thing, let everything go inside, then you fold it. So you see our headband is just so beautiful and classy. For the standard adult, remember the elastic measurement is 15 inches by length. For the casing is also 15 inches. So but for this the main fabric, the main chunky itself depends on the wideness, the length. The standard length is from 37 till for an adult, so from 37 to 45 or more depends on your choice. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for keeping on to this time. See you guys next time.